Hello, you can call me Stan. Perhaps you have seen on internet recently many people hearing sounds in forest of sounds they cannot explain. And perhaps you do not want to be home when alien life form comes calling. So we have solution for you that we give to you at a very good price. You come stay with us. We have lots of room. Right now, Grandma is clearing out space and my cousin is clearing away the bears. So that you can come, we will give you a safe car ride where you can come and stay with us, and we give you shower when you get there. It's all good. We have lots of rooms and plenty entertainment. We give you copy of my favorite book. So, if you're afraid of staring outside, you come stay with us. Only costs $17 per night. Remember, don't be afraid of sky. Come stay in Ration Bomb Shelter. Bye now!